you want to learn to love math again, go to Mr. Ng's website or to his YouTube channel. He will teach you to learn to love math again. Mr. Ng, the #1 math teacher in the whole world.
Hey guys, let's go over question number 20. A homeowner wants to increase the size of a rectangular deck that now measures 8 by 10. But the building code states that you cannot have a deck larger than 120. If the length and width are to be increased by the same amount, I'm going to call that one x, find to the nearest tenth the maximum number of feet that the length of the deck may be increased in size legally. So if we increase it by the same amount, which is x, that means this whole area, so if this is 80, and we're saying altogether the total cannot be more than, has to be less than 120. So let's go into use step 0 is our picture. We got that. And then number 1, we'll just have x plus 8. And then the other one, 10 plus x, or x plus 10, is less than or equal to 120. Okay, so let's go ahead and expand that. X plus 8, x plus 10, x squared, 10x, 8x, and 80. So that would give us x squared. Add these two, you get 18x. And then you have plus 80. All right, I'm going to subtract 120. X squared plus 18x minus 40 is less than or equal to 0. So now what we're trying to do here is we are doing solve. So this is right, and this is now solve. So I'm going to see if I can factor that. A times C is negative 40. Our B value is 18. Or you can always list out your factors. So it looks like 20 and 2. See if that works. So I have x plus 20, x minus 2, and then we're going to solve that. Set it equal to 0. So when I graph this, we'll have 2 and negative 20. And then this year, we learned to test this region. So say negative 21. This region will test 0. And let's test over here. Let's test 3. So when you put in those numbers, so if you put in negative 21 into the original problem, for purple, negative, you get positive, so that is false. So not this area. Okay, let's do the middle area. 0. So you're going to get 20 times negative 2 negative 40, and that is true. So it's going to be in that in between. And let's go to the last one, 3. So 23 is smaller than 0. That is false. Okay, so that means our answer has to be between negative 20 and 2. But remember, x, or the numbers I have, don't match that. We can have a negative increase, so you would start here at 0. So our answer would be from 0 to 2.
We doing math today, ain't got time for no games. We doing math today, all work and no play. We doing math today,